Hi guys, so I finally reached Manali. It's beautiful. The weather is chilling. It's very cold out here. I'm wearing a very warm jacket. So the last time I visited Manali, I was 1 year old. So probably, yeah, exactly. I'm seeing Manali for the first time properly. And we are here for almost half a month. So yeah, we're here for a very long time. And basically we left yesterday. We took a halt for 1 day at Sundarnagar, and now we are here at Manali. And yeah, I mean, this place is beautiful. I'm gonna show you whatever I do next, and whatever I do throughout this half a month. We're gonna have lots of fun. And yeah, this place is beautiful. It's much more beautiful than what I imagined and expected. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, and I just got ready. I just took a shower, and it's almost lunchtime. We've ordered food from Martin's. It's a very famous place over here. Just waiting for the food. It's gonna come in probably 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, in the evening, what the plan for today is that in the evening, most probably we'll go out somewhere. And what we've heard is that Manali has opened today, and not like, there was a 2 p.m. curfew going on, but now it's not there anymore. Like, it has opened, but I still don't know what all has opened and what all is closed. So once we go out today, we'll get an idea of what the situation is outside. And yesterday all I did was I only went for a walk in the evening. I did my lunch and dinner in the cottages only. We have this very beautiful seating area. It's like a small restaurant come seating area come cafe where we had our lunch and dinner. And yeah, as I told you guys, this place is beautiful. I'm loving it. The vibe is so different. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep updating you with whatever I do, and I'm just gonna show you what I have for lunch. Till then, see you. Hi guys, so it's lunchtime and the lunch has finally come. We ordered our food from Martin's, as I told you guys, and I'm just gonna show you what I'm having. The food is delicious. It was packed really properly, and yeah, I'm just enjoying my food by a beautiful view. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I'm having. So guys, my food is halfway finished. I'm having this white sauce spaghetti, some red sauce pasta, some fries and chicken wings, and I'm having it by this beautiful view. Earlier I was inside, but now I'm just sitting over here because I wanted to record it, and there was a lot of noise over there.
क्या है?
Hi guys, so we were just taking a round in the car, and now we finally found a cafe. It's a very famous cafe of Manali, Cafe 1947. I searched it up on Google and it's open right now. So we're just entering the cafe and we're gonna have a hot cup of coffee. Guys, I'm downstairs at the cafe right now and just look at the view. It's beautiful. Hi guys, so we finally come to the mall road. So basically first we went to Old Manali, but Old Manali mein hardly few cafes were open. Now we just bought dog food and one more thing from Himalaya, which I'm going to show you once I go back. And right now I'm in the mall road. Most of the things are closed, but still let's see whatever is open might have something. So stay tuned. Side ho jao zara. So guys, as I told you, everything was closed on the Mall Road as well as in Old Manali. So there's this Johnson's Cafe which is very famous over here. So right now we're just going over there only. It has a very steep walk, so just walking towards it. Hi guys, good morning. So right now we're just leaving for the Atal Tunnel. It's a very big tunnel and it was inaugurated by Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister. And I don't know much about it, but all I know is as soon as you pass the tunnel, the temperature decreases by 10 to 15 Celsius. And we might also go to the Rohtang Valley. So Rohtang Valley is not confirmed right now. The Atal Tunnel is. So I'm just going to keep you updated with whatever we decide. And yeah, let's go. Guys, we have crossed the tunnel and we're at the end of the tunnel. It was a 9.4-kilometer tunnel. Basically, this tunnel leads to Leh, and the temperature really got down while we were in the tunnel, but over here it's not that cold. We're not allowed to cross this area because it leads to Leh, and there's a lot of security over here, and you cannot even record for a very long period of time. They've only given us 5 minutes, and yeah, the view is beautiful. You can see the snow right there, and it's a very beautiful place, and we're just enjoying it.
Keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.